Thanks, Jermaine. They might not have been the champions of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, but Holland High School also had reasons to celebrate. Keon Rayner has that story.
It was a blue day at Martha Bray Trelawney, but they were not singing the blues at Holland High. They were singing praises for their feat at champs last week. For years, the 24-year-old school would watch another blue-clad school, the neighboring William Knibb High, celebrate their success at the high school showpiece. But now they have their own hero, Shania Douglas, who was a double gold medal winner. The World Under-20 bronze medalist won gold in the Class 100 meters in a personal best of 10.98 seconds on Wednesday before returning on Saturday to clock 22.36 seconds over the 200 meters to break the champs and national Under-20 records. So the hero's welcome she received on Monday by the school family was justified. Despite Douglas's feat, Coach Garth Smythe says all wasn't well ahead of the 100 meters final.
Even Shania warming up to come out for the 100 meters, Shania fell twice. Her knee was swollen, and the only thing I said to her, forget about the two falls. She fell twice on the warm-up track, warm up to come for the 100 meters, running 10.98.
Smythe's son, Johan Romaldo Smythe, was the lone male competitor for the school. He picked up 8 points, but he too had problems after the 100-meter semifinals and had to be rushed to a specialist less than 2 hours ahead of the final on the same day.
The specialist advised us not to, and he said, "Daddy, if me even go down the track, to give Alan the 1 point, I go walk down the track to give Alan the 1 point." And we realized, I didn't even go out with him. I just took him to the call room and told him, it's on you. Do what you want. We went out there and he still came back with 10.32 on a leg like that.
But the question many are asking after champs, will they return for their last year at champs or will they go pro?
That is left to be decided. The season is not over, so we're not clouding their minds with any form of going pro. And a lot of times when they force these things on these kids, it doesn't work out. So what I do and what I've done in the past is keep them grounded, focus on finishing school, and then we make those decisions.
The different apparel companies are said to be lining up for Douglas, but Coach Smythe says he has no control over that. Whether they go back to school or not, it's a moment Holland High will never forget, as they too had their fun under the sun. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.